This is Ironwood Forest National Monument. It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Notice the density of plants growing. There's a whole bunch of different species of cactus here, as well as a bunch of different types of trees. There's a herd of cows living here, as well as jackrabbits and coyotes. So there's a lot going on. It's an absolutely beautiful place. The access road is narrow and twists and turns. It has some pretty big bumps and ruts on it. I would not bring a towable camper up this road under any circumstances. I have a four-wheel drive truck, and about halfway up the road, there's a huge boulder that you can see here that even I wouldn't take my truck up. Although I did see some SUVs go over it, but I'm sure they were leased vehicles, which is why you never buy a leased car. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video.